नदी का पानी जिस पर हमारा हक है, जो पानी पाकिस्तान में चला जाता है, हिंदुस्तान के हक का पानी हम लाएंगे और पंजाब की धरती को वो पानी देंगे।
During the 2017 Punjab Assembly elections, Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a rally in Jalandhar said he would ensure that India's share of the Indus River water flowing into Pakistan is given to Punjab ki dharti, land of Punjab instead. 9 years on, a lot of water from the rivers flowing through Punjab is still going to Pakistan, even as the state itself struggles for water. The problem is that India lacks a mechanism to store water over which it has legitimate rights under the now suspended Indus water system. While in times of scarcity, even the Indian states of Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan clamor for this water, in the monsoon, when the rivers are gushing, there is no way to store the water, and Pakistan accuses India of releasing excess water into its territory. Under the Indus Water Treaty, all the water of the eastern rivers of the Indus system, Satluj, Beas and Ravi, is available for the unrestricted use of India. Pakistan receives water from the western rivers, Indus, Jhelum and Chenab. Now let's look at Punjab's water problem. Around 47% of Punjab's water needs are met through groundwater, which is depleting fast. Punjab's annual water demand stands at 66.12 billion cubic meters, of which 62.58 billion cubic meters is required for agriculture. However, the total available water is only 52.85 billion cubic meters, creating a deficit of 13.27 billion cubic meters. The effective rainfall provides 20.98 billion cubic meters, while the availability of groundwater that can be replenished is 17.07 billion cubic meters. Canal water contributes 14.80 billion cubic meters. Now, despite being a major riparian state, Punjab has limited rights to its three perennial rivers, Satluj, Ravi and Beas, which together carry 42.4 billion cubic meters of water. Punjab's allocated share is 17.95 billion cubic meters, while the rest is for other states like Haryana and Rajasthan. And the available canal water is estimated at 14.80 billion cubic meters. And the deficit of 13.27 billion cubic meters is being met through the overexploitation of groundwater. Now, according to aquifer mapping studies conducted in 2017 by the Central Groundwater Board, Punjab's groundwater resources are depleting at an alarming rate. So how much water goes to Pakistan from the eastern rivers? Let's take a look. A significant amount of water, especially from the Ravi, flows unused into Pakistan every year. Out of the 42.6 billion cubic meters of water in Punjab's rivers, the state uses just 14.80 billion cubic meters. The remaining water flows to Rajasthan, Haryana and Pakistan. During the monsoon season, surplus water from these rivers is released to Pakistan. For instance, in 2019, from April to June, around 2,060 million cubic meters of water was released from the major dams on the Satluj, Beas and Ravi. Of this, 30 to 40% was used within Punjab for irrigation, while the rest was released to Pakistan and other Indian states through the canal network. While these figures reported by the Central Water Commission support the state government's argument of releasing excess water to prevent flooding, they also highlight Punjab's failure to utilize available water to address its supply gaps. Of this, 30 to 40% was used within Punjab for irrigation, while the rest was released to Pakistan and other Indian states through the canal network. While these figures reported by the Central Water Commission support the state government's argument of releasing excess water to prevent flooding, they also highlight Punjab's failure to utilize available water to address its supply gaps. Now, the big question is, why is Punjab not storing this water? Only the Satluj, Beas and Ravi have dams. Smaller rivers and rivulets, which often flood vast areas during heavy rains, require better management. Canalization, directing river water into specific channels using mini dams or constructing embankments like the Dhusi Bunds to control surplus flows has not yet been effectively implemented. Although former Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh announced plans to canalize Punjab's rivers and other water sources during the 2019 floods, no significant progress has been made. In addition, there is a need to remodel Punjab's canal system, especially to manage excess water from Beas and tributaries like the Uj. Such measures would help divert water for irrigation and recharge the rapidly depleting groundwater table. There are also concerns about the indiscriminate encroachment of floodplains, which further complicates the water management system. Now let's take a closer look at urban water supply crisis in Punjab. Punjab's major cities such as Jalandhar, Ludhiana and Amritsar face a severe water shortage during the summer. In Jalandhar, for example, there was a proposal to bring in the Beas water, but the project, which would cost around 2,000 crore rupees, is yet to materialize. An expert from the Punjab Water Resources Department said, quote unquote, the water crisis in Punjab is not just about scarcity. It's also about mismanagement and a lack of infrastructure. The state is caught in a complex web of water sharing disputes with its neighboring states and Pakistan, all the while facing the looming threat of desertification. Unless substantial investments are made in water management, storage and infrastructure, an area under paddy is decreased, Punjab's water crisis will only